So the other thing you might want to do is, instead of just, if you had a whole load of columns, just add them individually like that is take forever. So you have a sum all, which makes things a lot easier. So, or auto sum. So if you see here, home auto sum, which I put on my quick access toolbar, just click that. And there it automatically works out what you want to add together, and you can just press enter and then it's summed that whole thing, the range from C2 to C5. Then if you insert a row in the middle, it automatically includes that in the range now. C2 to C6 now, so if we add a number there, it will include it. So there you see it's updated the total to include that. Now supposing you wanted the average of these numbers, so here is the total. So let's just delete that row, it looks a bit messy. Okay, suppose I wanted the average here, so I'll just click there, I click the insert function. It may be I've had it recently, in which case you could find it there. Otherwise, just type in the search for a function, average, and you can see there's all sort of different types of average, but we'll stick to the main one, which is average. Then just click on OK, and then it comes up with this useful box. So it's going to find the average of these 5 numbers, which tells you the answer is actually 8.4. But actually we don't want to have 21 in, because that's the total. We just want the average of 2, 4, 7 and 8. So the easiest way is just click on the 2, just drag, and then select the ones we want, the range we want the average of, let go, then press enter, and then we've got the average of 5.25. And then if we want the average of these 4 numbers, we can do the same thing, or we can just copy that over. So Control C, click, Control V, and the average of those 4 numbers is 5.75.